Hey, it's Mark Ling here again, and in this video we're going to look at using the Pretty Links plugin. So if I go across to here first though, what I want to do is go click on all posts, and I just want to quickly get rid of, you'll see that I've made 5 posts now. I just grabbed those all from the affiliates area, and I'll just click Hello World, and I'm just going to delete that one because I don't want my Hello World post in there. Okay, so I've deleted that. Great. And now I'm going to go to Pretty Links. Okay, and I'll click Add New. Now I want to go back to the affiliate area while that's loading of the site I'm promoting, which is Why Men Pull Away, and I'm going to click on Hop Link Generator, and I'll enter a ClickBank ID of mine, add track 36, so that's one of mine. Tracking ID, if you want to use a tracking ID you can. I could just write blog, because I'll use them from the blog post for this particular case. They are women. Sometimes that's relevant where some of the products that meet your suite have different gender landing pages, but for this one there's only one gender anyway, but I need to select women, and the one is Why Men Pull Away. And I click Generate. Great, so now I've got my link here. So then I press Command C to copy. You've got to have a ClickBank account. If you don't, then you'll have to click that link. You just go to clickbank.com and set one up. All right, so now I'll set up a 301 permanent redirect, and I will paste the website address in here. And I will, I'm not even sure whether it's important to have a cloaked redirect or not. I just want to see what the pricing is on Pro. I'll just do that while I'm at it in a separate window. But for now, greatlifehappiness.com/men pull away. I'll call it that. Okay, and I'll go to this and I'll click update over here. That's the publish link, and so it's publishing that link. So that way, greatlifehappiness.com/men pull away is now my link rather than that big ugly link. So if I type that in there and paste it, now that one will take me to this page here.
She was less than an hour away from getting dumped. Her boyfriend was about to say the words.
I'll just pause that, okay? And so we've got my page there. All right, so it's got an exit pop on it. So I might need to look at the affiliate area here. I may end up adding in one with no exit pop. I haven't done that yet on the generator, which I think could be important for Facebook traffic going forwards, but for now that'll be okay. So now what I do, so I'll get that exit pop taken off it anyway. I'll just jot that down in my notes. No exit pop on Facebook. So now, anyway, if I go back and I click on any of these pages now, so in this one here, now I need to go ahead and fix all my affiliate links. I need to delete that there, and then I need to click on that, click the hyperlink button. Oops, click on that hyperlink button, and then I need to type here we go, greatlifehappiness.com/men pull away, apply. Okay, so just double check that oops, that pretty link, where's it got my pretty links? Yep, that's it. So that's the link. You just copy it from there if you need to, but that's the link. I'll just see what the pricing is anyway of their all their cloaking and other things. I'm not sure if it's needed, but it's a one-off payment. It's not a monthly, so probably wouldn't be the worst idea anyway. In order to, if you want to cloak your links or do anything else, you could just pay the $49. So it's something I'll consider, but it's not essential. So anyway, I just got to go down and find any other links now. At least they're pointed out. Sorry, I'll just turn off my my Slack for a moment. All right, so now I'll get rid of this there. So then I've got that other one there, hyperlink. I'll take the word you out, because quite often having too many uses of the word you and your can be problematic if you're running Facebook traffic or something. It's not the end of the world, because we're not necessarily driving it direct to this page, but if you wanted to try it out with Facebook traffic, it may convert to sales. It's hard to say. Oops, I've got to highlight that all, then click that. There we go. Okay. Let's scroll down further, and then again get rid of that there, and watch. Tick. Done, and click update. And now let's preview this page. Great, so now someone clicks on that link, it's through my affiliate link, and I earn a commission on the sales. That link there, same thing, and further down that link there as well. I've got to get rid of that there as well by the looks of that. Link this text, whoops, so I'm obviously missed one, so I just click edit post, go back in, and that's why it pays to double check like I just did here. So go back further down, and that click here now, that's the link, tick, and now I can just get rid of that there. Not sure how to remove that whole block. Just move that one up. That works. Just press delete there. Great. I could even make that bold if I want. Ta-da. Great. And click update. And now that should look a little bit better. I know a lot of people decide to add images and stuff like that, like they'll have an image above each one of those and stuff like that. It's not really necessary, but it's certainly something you can consider testing. It's probably more helpful for social media sharing purposes, but not so much for buying traffic and stuff like that. Just the pure text is great, because then on a mobile phone, if someone's reading it, it looks kind of like this, just straight text, easy to read, and if they're into the article, they'll keep reading, and so forth. You can have a call to action earlier if you want to. It's up to you, but that's how this article's set up. Like if you really want to get people clicking earlier, you could put in a call to action, right there if you want to. But again, this is how it looks for now. So that's the end of this particular video, and I'll see you in the next one. We're working our way through this, and it's going pretty well. All right, that's it from me. Bye for now.